Hey friends, if you wish to download, install and update Realtek audio driver in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now simply search for it in your browser and go to the first website, the Realtek one, which will add codecs. It isn't about the software itself, it's about codecs because the software should always be present on your system. Click on this and then download the file. Now you need to add the captcha here. JUVW and then click on submit and then click you'll get a zip file here. You can save it to some location. Let's say I'll save it to the desktop. Okay, and once it is saved to the desktop, then you can install these codecs. So this is how you can install the Realtek audio drivers on your computer. It will need a while to install. It's not a small file, so we'll have to wait till then. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.